Hey there, content creators! Welcome back to Daxton World. Today's video is going to be a game changer because we're delving deep into the world of content creation and bringing you the ultimate guide to the best free programs that can truly elevate your creative game. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just stepping into the realm of content creation, these tools are going to be your secret weapons. So, grab your favorite snack, settle in, and let's dive right into this content-packed journey. Kicking things off, we're diving into the captivating world of graphic design. If you're a content creator, you know that visual appeal is everything. That's where Canva comes in. This user-friendly design platform offers an extensive collection of templates, graphics, and tools that will help you create stunning visuals without a hefty price tag. From social media posts to eye-catching thumbnails, Canva is your one-stop shop for all things design. Canva has an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that lets you easily customize templates to match your brand. You can create attention-grabbing graphics for YouTube thumbnails and Instagram posts, and even design logos or banners that stand out. Moving on to video editing, a critical skill for any content creator. DaVinci Resolve 18 is a true gem in the editing world, offering professional-grade features without the professional price tag. With a powerful editing suite, advanced color correction tools, and even audio post-production capabilities, DaVinci Resolve is the tool you need to transform your raw footage into cinematic masterpieces. DaVinci Resolve's Fusion page allows you to create stunning visual effects and motion graphics, giving your videos that extra wow factor. And with its Fairlight audio engine, you can achieve impeccable sound quality for your content. Now, let's talk audio, an often underestimated aspect of content creation. Audacity, the open-source audio editing software, is a must-have for anyone looking to produce high-quality audio content. Whether you're recording podcasts, narrations, or creating music, Audacity's array of features and effects will help you achieve the perfect sound. With Audacity, you can remove background noise, apply equalization, and even create multi-track projects. Its versatile tools ensure that your audio is crystal clear and engaging, no matter what type of content you're producing. Content creation isn't just about visuals and audio, it's also about organization and planning. Trello, the free project management tool, is here to keep your content creation process smooth and efficient. Whether you're a solo creator or collaborating with a team, Trello's boards and cards system will help you outline, plan, and execute your content with ease. Trello's Kanban-style boards make it easy to track the progress of your content projects. You can create boards for brainstorming ideas, outlining scripts, and even scheduling publication dates. Plus, Trello's mobile app ensures you stay organized on the go. Stepping into the realm of social media management, Buffer is a game changer. This free scheduling tool allows you to plan, schedule, and publish your content across various platforms in one fell swoop. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual posting and hello to a streamlined, consistent social media strategy. Buffer's easy-to-use dashboard lets you schedule posts for platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can even analyze the performance of your posts to optimize your social media strategy and reach a wider audience. Now, let's explore the world of animation and motion graphics. Blender, the open-source 3D creation suite, isn't just for experts. It's for every content creator who wants to add that extra flair to their work. Create stunning animations, captivating motion graphics, and even intricate 3D models without spending a dime. Blender's Grease Pencil tool lets you create 2D animations directly within the 3D environment. Whether you're crafting an animated intro for your videos or adding dynamic elements to your presentations, Blender offers endless creative possibilities. Content creation isn't just about creating, it's also about getting your content noticed. Google Keyword Planner is a free tool that will be your guiding light in the world of SEO. By helping you identify the right keywords for your content, it ensures that your hard work reaches the right audience. Google Keyword Planner provides insights into search volume and keyword competition, enabling you to tailor your content to what your target audience is actively searching for. This strategic approach enhances your content's visibility and organic reach. Now let's talk about visual storytelling through infographics. Piktochart is your go-to platform for creating captivating infographics, presentations, and reports. Whether you're conveying complex data or telling a compelling story, Piktochart's easy-to-use interface and robust features have got you covered. Piktochart's customizable templates make it simple to turn complex information into visually appealing graphics. Whether you're explaining a process, sharing statistics, or presenting research findings, infographics created with Piktochart engage your audience in a unique way. Shifting our focus to photography and image enhancement, GIMP is a fantastic free alternative to costly image editing software. With a wide range of tools, filters, and effects, you can retouch your photos, create graphics, and enhance your visuals like a pro. GIMP's advanced tools, such as layers and masks, allow you to perform detailed photo retouching and manipulation. You can remove blemishes, adjust colors, and create composite images that perfectly complement your content's narrative. Ever thought about creating tutorials or walkthroughs? OBS Studio is here for you. This open-source software allows you to capture and record your screen with ease. You can also edit your recordings, add overlays, and create engaging content that educates and entertains. OBS Studio's scene-based layout and intuitive interface make it simple to capture and record your screen while adding text, images, and even webcam footage. This is perfect for creating tutorials, gameplay videos, or any content that requires screen sharing. If you're into vector graphics and illustrations, Inkscape is your go-to companion. This free and open-source software empowers you to create intricate artwork, logos, icons, and more. Unleash your creativity without any cost barriers. Inkscape's vector-based approach ensures that your graphics remain sharp and scalable no matter how they're resized. From designing custom icons to crafting intricate illustrations, Inkscape gives you the tools to bring your artistic visions to life. Collaboration is key in the world of content creation, and Google Workspace is your ultimate toolkit. With Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and more, you and your team can work together in real time, whether you're brainstorming ideas or finalizing a project. Google Workspace's real-time collaboration features enable you and your team to simultaneously work on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. This ensures seamless communication and boosts productivity, whether you're drafting scripts or creating marketing materials. Now, let's explore the future of content creation, virtual reality. Unity is a powerful free platform that lets you create immersive VR experiences. Whether you're designing games, simulations, or interactive visualizations, Unity opens the door to a whole new dimension of creativity. Unity's user-friendly interface and vast asset library make it accessible for creators interested in VR. From interactive architectural walkthroughs to engaging educational simulations, Unity empowers you to build immersive experiences that captivate your audience. For those looking to create ebooks, reports, or documents, look no further than LibreOffice Writer. This free word processing software offers a range of features for crafting professional-looking documents, ensuring your written content matches your visual creativity. LibreOffice Writer's templates and formatting options streamline the process of creating ebooks and documents. Whether you're writing a comprehensive guide or an engaging ebook, you can focus on content creation while letting the software handle the layout. Last but not least, let's venture into the world of coding and web development. Visual Studio Code is a free code editor that provides an efficient, customizable environment for coding in various programming languages. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, this tool will enhance your coding experience. Visual Studio Code's extensions and integrated Git support make it a powerhouse for web development. You can create responsive websites and dynamic web applications, and even explore new programming languages, all within a user-friendly coding environment. Wow, we've covered an incredible journey through the best free programs for content creators. From graphic design to video editing and audio creation to web development, these tools have shown us that you don't need a hefty budget to create amazing content. Remember to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with fellow creators. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of your imagination. Until next time, stay creative and keep crafting.